Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name's Malika and today's video is going to be a little bit different to my usual videos, and before I jump into it I just want to clarify that it's not a sponsored video in any way. It's just something that I'm really passionate about and I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm going to be talking about the Dates Project, and the Dates Project is a UK based organisation that delivers absolutely delicious dates for Ramadan, and 100% of the profits goes to charity. So they have 5 different tins of dates available and each one supports a different cause. So the 5 causes available are Dates for Syria, and each tin provides a minimum of 500 loaves of bread. Dates for Palestine, which provides a minimum of 500 litres of water inside Gaza. Dates for Orphans, which provides education and opportunity for orphans. Dates for Rohingya, which provides food and vital aid. And finally, Dates for Yemen, which provides food and vital aid in Yemen. And so my husband and I got a tin each. So my husband went for the Dates for Syria tin. So this is the tin, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a black tin with a gold, it's the Date Project symbol in the middle, so that's just the Dates for Syria one. And it's got like these black sort of embossed circles. It's embossed gold with the logo at the top. It's a really nice tin, and I'm going to open it up for you. And this year they're doing something, they've got like a golden ticket, and in each of the 5 different tins, one of those tins will contain a golden ticket, which is a free trip to Hajj or Umrah. So let's see if we're lucky. Doesn't look like it, but what we have got is a very lovely Eid card that was designed by a 4th grade orphan, Mohammed Cairo, and he designed the cards. This is him. And this is an absolutely beautiful Eid card, and inside it says, "Hope your Ramadan was filled with goodness and blessings. We wish you and your family a joyous Eid." And it says Eid Mubarak. So that's a really lovely Eid card, and it comes with an envelope as well. There's also a free prize draw. So you can get, if you haven't found the golden ticket, you can still enter the prize draw. And it also comes with a Ramadan Activity booklet for children. So if you have children or if you know children, you can give them this fantastic Ramadan Activity project. And they did this last year as well. I gave it to some kids we know and they really enjoyed it. And then the dates themselves are in a separate box so they don't like make the tin dirty. And I can tell you from last year, these dates are just the most juicy, delicious, scrumptious dates. Like, I don't usually like dates myself, but like obviously I eat them in Ramadan because I like to follow the Sunnah, but I'm not don't tend to be a fan. But as you can see, these ones are like really large and they're juicy. And what I like to do, I like to cut them open, take the pip out, and then fill them with butter because I just find that sort of really goes well with the date flavour. And also, what I find is most of the dates, if you buy them from shops, often they'll have like sort of gross bits in them, like, you know, sandy bits, or they'll just be horrible on the inside and you can't eat them. Whereas last year, we had a tin last year, and I think 1, maybe 2 of the dates and the entire thing was like, had the dusty bits inside. So these are really high quality dates. And then I got the Dates for Orphans tin. So this was a really pretty pink design, and it's got those geometric shapes all around it, and it's got, again, the logo in the middle, and the SKT Welfare logo at the corner. It's a really fun shape as well, the tin this year. It's got like sort of like a sort of slalom slopey bit there. So I'm going to open this one up. So no golden ticket either, but there's, again, we've got the lovely Eid cards. It looks like it's got the same Eid card in all of the boxes to really showcase Mohammed's card, which I think is such a beautiful card. And it's nice to know that a boy designed this when it's got like the butterflies and flowers and everything, because it shows that, you know, he's not sort of being limited by anything, and he's got this very happy, picturesque, you know, our last panel Talas creations. And you can see, you know, he looks really, really happy there. And again, we've got the Ramadan booklet. Looks like there's a pattern at the bottom of the tin, so just going to have a quick look at that. So at the bottom of the tin, it's got this fun little teddy bear, and it says, "Gift back." So this Ramadan, spread smiles to children in need by filling a Date Project tin or an empty shoebox with little presents and dropping it off at your local drop-off point. So that's a really cute idea, that once you're done with the dates, you can take the tin, fill it up with stuff to give it back to a child, to give them some stuff. And I think that's really sweet. So I'm going to check if it's got that in the Dates for Syria box as well. So the Dates for Syria has that as well. And the bit at the top on the inside, so it's got a quote from the Prophet, peace be upon him. It says, "The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, 'The best of you are those who feed others.'" And it talks about Ramadan in Syria. "With your help, millions of Syrian refugees have benefited from our bakery in Idlib, where 10,500 loaves of bread are distributed for free each day. The presence of a fully functional bakery in the heart of a war-torn country keeps spirits up and enables the surrounding population to get their essential supply of bread for their daily food intake." and 50 pence a day as a lifeline to the refugees. And it's really nice to highlight how a little thing can go such a long way. And then the Dates for Orphans tin on the inside has another quote, and it says, "The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, 'Myself and the caretaker of an orphan will be in paradise like this.' And he held his two fingers together." So, you know, he is so close with the people who care for the orphans. And 66 pence a day provides hope for the future. And it says, Ramadan and beyond for orphans. SKT Welfare's Orphan Care Programme provides a secure home, nourishment, medical care, education, extracurricular activities, and a complete welfare system to orphan children from Syria and Gaza. So it's such a worthwhile cause. SubhanAllah, all of them are like, whichever tin you go for, they've all got beautiful designs, and most importantly, they've all got beautiful causes. And it's something I really do believe passionately about, because 100% of the profits from this go towards charity. And it's £10 for a tin, and you might think that, you know, £10 is more expensive than the regular dates, but A, these ones taste better, and B, it's less, you know, paying £10 for dates, and it's more paying £10 to charity and getting dates as an added bonus. So for me, I would 100% recommend, if you've got the money, please do buy a tin or two from the Date Project, because it'll really make your Ramadan special, having those delicious dates, and most importantly, it'll make Ramadan special for a disadvantaged person somewhere else in the world. So jazakallah khair for watching. Please like the video. Drop a comment down below if you get a tin to say which tin you went for, and please do subscribe to the channel for more Islamic videos in the future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.